Konnichiwa minasan. Kore wa watashi no denwa desu. This is an affirmative sentence. This is a statement, and the translation of this sentence will be, this is my phone. In this sentence, wa is a subject particle. In Japanese, with subject we use this wa particle. In hiragana, this is read as ha, but whenever it is used with the subject, we read it as a va particle. And this is a belonging particle, no. It shows the belongingness between the two nouns. In this sentence, watashi no denwa means this phone belongs to me, my phone. In means anything which belongs to anybody or anything, we use this no particle. And as it is a affirmative sentence, that is why we are using this in the end of a sentence. We are using it, indicates that it is an affirmative sentence. And whenever we need to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, then we need to add ka in the end of a sentence, and it will become a interrogative sentence, just like this, ka. Ka is a question marker, like this in English. In English, we use this question marker, and in Japanese, we use this question marker. This is a basic difference in how to denote the question marker in both the languages. So now the translation of this sentence will be, is this my phone? So let us make another sentence. Kore wa anata no denwa desu ka? In this sentence, we only added ka in the end of a sentence with affirmative sentence, and it become interrogative sentence. Now there can be a situation where when someone can ask, is this your phone, for confirmation. So that person will use this kind of sentence, kore wa anata no kawan desu ka, or kore wa anata no hon desu ka, or kore wa anata no denwa desu ka. So anata no hon means book, then kawan means bag, denwa means phone. So any kind of sentence can be made to confirm from the other person. So you can reply in a positive or as well in negative. So if you are replying yes, this is my phone, so in Japanese for yes you can say hi. Kore wa watashi no denwa desu. Simple. So you can, with a positive reply, you have in this sentence only affirmative structure has been used. this is. But if you are to negate this sentence, someone asking to you, is this your phone? これはあなたのカバンですか? これはあなたの電話ですか? Kawan means bag. So if someone is asking これはあなたのカバンですか means is this your bag? Or in this sentence, if someone is asking to you, is this your phone? これはあなたの電話ですか? So if this is not your and you want to negate, so you will simply say いいえ。これは私のカバンではありません means in the affirmative sentence. This is an affirmative sentence. This you will simply cut so and will add はありません。So with the affirmative sentence, we will remove the last hiragana and we will add wa arimasen. So kore wa watashi, in this sentence, kore wa watashi no denwa dewa arimasen means this is not my phone. So whenever you are going to decline or you are negating this sentence, you will simply make the sentence this way. So now the answer will be いいえ。これは私の電話ではありません。これは私の電話ではありません。This is how we make the affirmative, interrogative and their positive and negative reply. Thank you. ありがとうございます。